What's poppin', Ziva gang? How y'all doing today? Today is the last video of Vlaugust, and today we're going to be working on these press-on nails while I talk to you guys about some ideas that I have for the coming months. Wow, so I can't believe we really did it. It's officially the end of Vlaugust, guys. I'm so proud of myself. I'm so glad that I got it done, and I just am really excited for what's to come. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment below some of your favorite videos from Vlaugust, maybe videos that you want to see more of, things like that. But yeah, in this video, I'm going to run some video ideas that I have in my head by you all and see how you feel. I'm also going to learn how to post in the community tab so I can do some polls there and things like that. I want to get real creative with this YouTube thing, you feel me? So yeah, I was gonna make this video a face cam, but it just didn't work out that way. But I hope you guys still enjoy me creating this set of nails. This set will be available on my Etsy shop, so if it's available now, I will link it in the description. But if not, just keep an eye out for that. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at diamonddose so that you can stay updated on all of the available products, new launches, all that good stuff, giveaways. So make sure you're following me there. But yeah, let's get into these video ideas. So the first video idea that I thought about was growing up with a single mom. I was raised by a single mom, and it has impacted me in a lot of different ways, you guys. Everything from how I look at relationships to how I interact with people. It just affects me as a person, my values, my morals, my goals, things that I want in life. And I feel like a lot of people would be able to relate to that video, and I think it could be something interesting. So let me know how you feel about that. That's my first video idea. My second video idea is starting a business in college. For those of you that don't know, Diamond Dose Nails was born the summer before my senior year in college, and I did just graduate. And this past year, having the business but also being in school all the while in a pandemic has been crazy. Okay, crazy. Oh my god, it's been so crazy. So everything from figuring out how to run the business to how to keep my grades up to coming up with new styles and collections on time. Oh my god, the time management. I could really make a video going in depth about that, because I know there's kind of a lot of young people that watch my videos and could learn a lot from a video like that. So if you feel you're that person, comment below and let me know. So video idea number 2, starting a business in college. Number 3 is my weight loss journey. So a lot of you might not know, but in the past year and a half, I lost 30 pounds. And it's something that I'm still really insecure about. I have not yet reached my weight loss goal. It's been a really up and down kind of struggle for me. Everything from having a slow metabolism to learning more about my particular body type has been such an up and down journey over the last year and a half for me. It really started when we went into the pandemic, like the January of the year that we went into the pandemic, and I'm still on my weight loss journey. I'd still like to lose maybe like 20 to 30 more pounds. So it's something that I'm battling with, and something that's a really big part of my life at this juncture. So comment below if that's something you'd be interested in hearing about. I'll probably end up doing all of these videos at some point. It's just a matter of, I guess, what you guys want to see right now. So yeah, my weight loss journey is definitely something that I could talk about. It's something that I'm really passionate about, and something that's still going on in my life. So if that's something that you'd like to hear me talk about, just leave me a comment below, let me know. And let's talk about video idea number 4. Video idea number 4 is regrets that I have, mainly as a college student, because even though I just graduated, there's so many things that I look back on that I feel like I could have done differently, or that might have impacted my college experience differently. Yeah, even though I'm really young, I have a lot of regrets in my life. You know what I'm saying? Things could always be worse. You could always be in a way worse position than the one you're in. And I think about that fact every single day. And I'm really, really grateful for the position that I am in. But I have a lot of regrets, you guys. I do. I have a lot of things I wish I would have smartened up and done differently. So if that's something you want to hear about, if something you can relate to, comment below and let me know. If not, I won't bore you with it. Number 5, how Diamond Dose Nails was born. This will be a little bit of a harder video for me to film because my business is still really, really young, right? And even though it serves a sole purpose and it has a sole inspiration, the reasoning for a lot of things changes as time goes on, and the mission statement remains the same, but the execution changes, if that makes sense. And you know, everything from rebranding to website designing, packaging, messaging, all of that stuff is so important, and I think about it every single day. And just looking back from where I started to where I am, it's only been like a year and change, like a year and a month really at this point. And it's just been a journey. So if that's something that you guys would like to hear about, I'd definitely be willing to talk about that. Like I said, I know there's a lot of you that probably are looking to start press-on nail businesses or just small businesses of your own. So I would talk about that stuff in that video as well. So if that's something that you're interested in hearing, something you feel like you could learn from, I could definitely sit down and do a video talking all about that kind of stuff. So that's the point of this video, though, is to just get a sense of different things that you guys might like to see, and different things that you might be curious about. You know, I know we're still pretty small and we're still growing. Okay, 700 going strong, on the road to 1K. But, you know, I know that there's still a lot of things that you guys don't really know about me and know about the brand. And that's really the point of this YouTube channel, is to personalize the brand and build community. So if that's something you're interested in seeing, the comment section is open, so make sure you use it. Alrighty, video idea number 6 is I'm probably gonna do this one anyway, it's just a matter of when. But it's basically gonna be a breakdown of Vlaugust. And what I mean by that is why I decided to post a video for every day for 30 days, how I went about conceptualizing and organizing ideas, how it's impacted my channel as far as subscriber count, watch time, and how it's brought me closer to my goal of monetizing my channel. I hope to monetize my channel by the end of 2021. So fingers crossed that will happen for us. Like I said, we're on the road to 1K and we're almost there. So, you know, but anywho, yeah, that's video idea number 6. And then my last video idea, well, this is not really a video idea, more so something that I wanted to run by you guys. So hopefully you're still here listening. But I wanted to know how you guys would feel about me going live on Instagram. Or not Instagram, I'm sorry, YouTube. You know how you can go live on YouTube. I don't know if people really still do that. I've thought about testing it out with like the Premiere situation, but I'm just so forgetful with stuff like that. I feel like I'd set a video to Premiere and then I'd forget to get back on once it's time to respond to comments. Like, definitely feel like that would be me, because I'm super forgetful with that kind of stuff. But I wanted to know if that's something you guys would be interested in, either going live or doing like a Premiere situation. Comment below and let me know if you're into like that type of interactive stuff. I know just personally though, I'm not. Like, when influencers or people that I follow go live or do premieres, I just don't be having the time to tune in. Like, whenever I get like an Instagram notification that somebody's going live, I'm just like, and like, I just don't be caring. So, but if that's something you guys are interested in, I'd definitely be more than willing to do that. So comment below, let me know if you'd enjoy some live or premiere content. And that's pretty much all the video ideas that I have. Well, all of the larger video ideas that I have. Of course, I'm going to continue with the nail art videos. I'm going to vlog as much as possible. I'm going to keep sharing my experiences with you guys, both as a college graduate and a business owner, and just as a young woman. You know what I'm saying? That's really the point of this channel, is to interact with other young women and young men that have the same passions as me, and that just want to be part of the community, that just want to make beautiful nail art and just have an escape from their real world. Because for me personally, I talked about this a little bit in another video, but nails are like my therapy, to be honest. I need to be in real therapy, and I'm working on it. But you know, nails are my creative outlet, and this is how I express myself, and I feel the happiest and the most connected to people and things around me when I'm doing or making nails. And I just hope to continue to get better and better. I really want to learn how to do all types of mediums, acrylic, polygel, because if you know how to do nails or make nails or whatever, you know, like that's something nobody can take from you. Same as if you were a lash tech or a makeup artist, like that's something that no employer could ever take from you. Nobody can tell you what to do with your own skill or time. Like it's your own, if you get what I'm trying to say. Like the whole entrepreneurial thing, I know that it's not for everyone. I'm still not even sure if it's for me. But at the same time, there's nothing like having a skill and being able to market it. Like I talk about it all the time in my videos, how much I love being able to just do my own nails when I have an event or something. I love that feeling so much, like being able to slay my own makeup, put on my own wig and have it look fly, and have some poppin' ass nails for free $99 because I did them myself. Like there's just no better feeling for me anyway. It's such a satisfying feeling. I feel my most feminine, to be honest, when I'm able to take care of myself in that way. So comment below if you do your own nails and you can kind of relate to what I'm saying, because I know it might not really make a whole lot of sense, but yeah. But yeah, this set that I'm making, I thought, what better way to end Vlaugust than with a just fire blinged out baby boomer. For this website relaunch, I really wanted to create sets that were more, what's the word I'm looking for? Elaborate, sets that were more eye-catching, sets that were more specialized, okay? Because I really sell myself short. When I started this press-on nail business, I said, okay, I'm going to make simple sets because, you know, it's easy to get the supplies and it takes less time to make. But it's like, although that's true, I'm selling myself short, you guys, and I just can't do it anymore. At this age and stage in my life, I just cannot afford to sell myself short anymore. I cannot afford any more self-doubt. I just cannot afford not to go hard. Like, that's really how I'm feeling right now. So I hope you guys enjoy watching me put this set together. I hope this video wasn't too boring. Like I said, I did want to make it a face cam, but things just didn't really work out that way, okay? But I still hope you guys enjoyed. Comment below, let me know which video ideas you're feeling the most. Let me know how you feel about these nails, and I will let you guys know when these are available for sale. Again, make sure you're following me on Instagram at diamonddose.biz. Link is in the description. And if you're still here, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button so that my video can get recommended to more divas like you. Leave me a comment and let me know what you thought, and also hit that subscribe button so that you can be part of the Diva gang. Make sure you click that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. And yeah, I'm just really grateful for you guys. Stay tuned to the very end if you want to see just a little tidbit of how I package these nails. I did do a whole video on how I go about packaging my nails, so if you want to see that, I'll have it linked in the cards as well. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, Diva gang. Mwah.